scary, and on and on, and so we reorganized a agency to consolidate those things.
Go fuck!
One, to eliminate the redundancy and streamline the agency. But most importantly, to redirect it.
It's dark on its tourist area. Like, even I don't know what the fuck this road is.
Yeah, but why would you get on the turning lane?
I don't know. What the fucking shit? A car driving the wrong side of the road.
Mami, ese tipo estaba yendo del lado que no es.
¿Encontraste ya?
Sí.